Hello there and welcome back to Just Genie Things. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made my Pramanix bell from Arknights using File's Pepakura templates. First, I cut the templates that I printed. It's made by Files, and I left the link on the description so you can visit his FB page and inbox him directly if you want the same templates that I'm using. Then I traced the template onto the 4mm rubber sheet that I'll use for the bell. I also used push pins to keep the pieces in place. After tracing, I cut the parts using my small box cutter. I also make sure the blade is really sharp in order to make clean and accurate cuts. I then glue pieces together using my cyano acrylate adhesive. First, I build the bell's body. I start by gluing the bottom pieces going to the top. I'm also careful not to make mistakes since the adhesive that I'm using dries really fast, and it will be hard for me to undo what I've glued together. The templates that I'm using are really simple and easy to build thanks to Files. If you want, you can also have your templates for your future props commissioned by him as well. Feel free to inbox his page. I left the link in the description. I want the handle to be sturdy, so instead of using the pieces from the templates, I use a permanent marker and cover it with 2mm rubber sheet. After attaching the handle onto the bell's body, I glue all the other details. Now everything looks good, but before I paint it, I will first prime it with acrylic emulsion. About 4 to 5 layers should be enough. Applying a thick layer of acrylic emulsion is the technique I use in order to prevent the paint from peeling and cracking, and to add more stiffness and durability to the rubber sheet. Another tip, make sure to let the first layer dry before adding another layer of emulsion. Then I paint my bell with a gray color. And then I contour it with a slightly darker shade. And then dry brush some details and scratches with even darker gray. You can also paint it silver, whichever you prefer. After painting, I coat it with transparent or clear acrylic spray paint to give it that slightly glossy effect. For the final touch, I tied the strip of blue ribbon onto the handle. This is what the final output looks like. Check out my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my content by liking and subscribing to Just Shiny Things. See ya next time! Thanks for watching!